Hello friends, welcome back. So here is the next question. What is functional interface? So when an interface is having just one abstract method, it is known as functional interface. So for this, Java 8 has provided one annotation that is at functional interface. So we can have this annotation about the interface. It is also known as SAM, single abstract method, because functional interface is just having one abstract method. So that's why it is also called as SAM. Now with Java 8 we can have concrete methods inside interface. That means methods with body, and those methods are default and static methods. And functional interface can have any number of default and static methods inside it. So let's move to Eclipse to further understand the functional interface. So let me create one interface and I'm giving name as functional interface demo. Now let's mark this interface as functional interface. So see, this is giving compilation error that it is not having any abstract method. That's why the error is there. So let me have one abstract method, that is test. So see, there are no compilation errors because functional interface must have one abstract method, not 0 and not more than 1. That's the rule. So let's try to have another abstract method. So see, we are getting compilation error, but as long as we remove this, there will be no errors. But say I want to have these two abstract methods, then if I remove this, so that's fine. An interface can have any number of abstract methods, but functional interface can have just one abstract method inside it. So we need to remove this. So either just one abstract method and the annotation, or if you want two abstract methods or more, then remove the annotation, that is functional interface. Now as I already said that there can be any number of default and static methods. So this is how you can have the default methods. Say I am giving name default method, you can give it any. So this is how you can have the default method inside functional interface, and that method can have the body. So this is newly introduced in interface. Now let's see how you can have the static methods inside interface. Let's have one sysout. Here you need to remember one thing is that you must need to implement or override the abstract method whatever the classes that are inheriting or implementing this functional interface. But default method is optional to override. If you don't override the default methods, then compiler will not give you any error. It's optional. You can also override it. Then also compiler will not give any error. But static method of interface cannot be overridden. So let's have one class that is implementing this interface. implements. So we need to override the abstract method only. So let me override this default method as well, but we need to remove the default word from it, and let's add the override. And so see, that's fine. But when we try to have static method with override annotation, it will give the compilation error. So we can't have the static method overridden in the implemented class. So that's it guys for the functional interface in Java 8. See you in the next lecture. Thank you very much.